Hey guys, just back with a review of the Apple Solo Loop. I know this is just the normal sport band that I've got on the watch right now, but we'll get to that in a second. So about 5 days ago, I got the Apple Solo Loop from the Apple Store, and just the silicone one, not the braided one. And my initial thoughts was that I loved it, and it felt really good on the wrist. Could move really easily when the watch was on. It did feel very nice. But after using it and doing a couple of workouts with it and going for a bike ride with it, I noticed that I didn't really like it after doing all those things with it. And one thing I found was I ended up with a mark from the sides, like from there. And I know this is a sport band and it should do the same thing, but for whatever reason, I ended up with a band pressings in my arm around there, and I ended up with little sweat pimples all under where my band sits on my wrist. And for some reason, it sits really snug on my wrist compared to the normal sport band itself. I don't know why it does that, but it may be because it's softer. Like it is very soft compared to the rubber of the sport band, and I think that may have something to do with it. I have used this sport band for a very long time and I do love it, but I thought giving the Solo Loop a go, I might have been able to change my mind and get away from having to button it up and everything like that. It has its benefits, but at the same time, it has its downsides, because once you buy that band, that's it. That's the only size you get. If it stretches a little bit over time and becomes loose, you got no option to tighten it up like you do on a normal band with a clasp. So I have taken the Sport Loop back to the Apple Store. It wasn't my thing. I felt as though I sweated too much in it. I am possibly going to give the braided Solo Loop a go, because I've heard that it breathes a lot better. It does hold a little bit of moisture, apparently. But I think I need to give that a go for myself and see how it goes. So yeah, that's my returning review on the Solo Loop, the new liquid silicone Solo Loop. Hope that's helped you guys decide on whether you want to get one or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.